3-year course on NPTEL. I'm PK. I'm a faculty at IIIT Delhi. I received my PhD from Carnegie Mellon University. My primary area of interest is privacy, security, and computational social science, data science, social computing, and topics around it. I'm part of Cybersecurity Education and Research Center at IIIT Delhi. I'm also part of a research group called Precog, which primarily works on privacy and security in online social media, computational social science, data science, social computing, and we also build some technologies which are around these topics. So this is the Facebook post that I did about a year and a half back, which is regarding the course feedback that students give us at IIIT Delhi. I've been teaching this course, PSOSM, Privacy and Security in Online Social Media, at IIIT for a couple of times. So this is the feedback, and at the end of the course, we actually have a poster session where students actually present their work, what they have done over the semester in the form of a poster, in the form of a demo. So this is a picture with all the students from the class wearing the same t-shirt and with actually the external evaluators who came to evaluate these projects. So what do you get out of this course? So some of the postconditions for this course is going to be at the end of the course, you will be able to appreciate various privacy and security concerns, spam, phishing, fraud, identity theft, and related issues on online social networks. The primary focus of this course is going to be different aspects of security and privacy issues on online social media. Throughout the course, you will also be exposed to actually collecting data from online social networks like Facebook, Twitter, analyzing these content and visualizing this data in terms of the question that you're trying to ask. For example, one question could be, I want to understand whether the followers that I have on Twitter are actually legitimate or fake. We plan to actually have achieved this goal, this post-condition, in terms of able to collect data, analyze data, and visualize data through the assignments that you will be getting across these course. So one of the things that we primarily want to actually focus on is also a lot of discussion around the topics that we'll be discussing in this course. Here is a link to the online forum that we hope that you will actually participate. We expect you to actually post at least one question or an answer or have a question, make a comment, etc. once per week. There's already a lot of research literature to show that people who are active outside the class do perform well in the topics that are actually discussed inside the class. So what we plan to do in terms of assignments is we plan to have one homework assignment per week, capturing the topics that we have covered in the class, in the lecture. And we'll actually have homework questions around that every week, and we hope to actually get you a sense of these kind of different topics, same as collecting data from online social network, what kind of analysis can be done with this data, how to visualize this data, and things like that. Mostly these questions will be from slides, some programming, something that you should actually be able to answer if you actually read content outside the lectures and the pointers that we discuss in the forums also. So I also plan to have something to make it more exciting, to make it more interesting for you to actually participate in the topic. I also plan to have some office hours where I will be online on Hangout, where you can actually ask me questions, or of course the forum also can be used for asking these questions. It's basically like an hashtag Ask Me sessions that you may have heard about in the past on Reddit and Twitter and other social networks. This will allow you to also interact with me directly. Probably on a Hangout we could even try video sessions. I'm also planning to have some open lab sessions at IIIT Delhi, where you can actually, this is only probably for students who are going to be mostly in and around Delhi. If you're in Delhi, you could actually show up on campus at some time at a decided time that we are planning to we will let you know. Join the open lab sessions where we could actually have the TAs and others answer some questions for you, help you do the course better, help you understand some concepts even more deeply. So I already saw some of you introducing yourself on the mailing list. It's actually great to see that. But there are more than 1,500 students who have registered for this course. It will be nice to actually have most of you introduce yourself on the forum. And the main reason for me to understand who you are is actually helping me to cater the content accordingly. It will help me to create content. It will help me to actually give you appropriate pointers if I know the proportion or the distribution of the students who are taking this class. Why should I teach this class? As I said earlier, I've been teaching this class at least at IIIT Delhi a couple of times, but before that, before even starting to teach this class, I did a few things which actually makes a very interesting way, segue into teaching this course. I did a workshop at UFMG, which is University of Minas Gerais in Brazil. I've done some workshops around the topic of privacy and security on online social media, which got converted into a conference called Conference on Online Social Network. I've also taught this class in Brazil, which is for full credit course over the summers 2012 and 2013. Teaching assistants. So it's not going to be only just me. You're not just going to only listen to me over the entire course. Teaching assistants will help us in creating the questions, doing some lab sessions, helping us in giving you more content wherever necessary, helping us even creating the homeworks and things like that. For now, we have 4 fabulous TAs who are all my PhD students at IIIT Delhi. That's Anupama Agarwal, whose primary interest is actually understanding social reputation on social networks. That's Srishti Gupta, whose primary interest is studying the online social media and with the phone numbers and OTT kind of technologies that are available. That's Prateek, whose interest is on studying malicious content on Facebook. That's Niharika Sachideva, whose interest is primarily on usable security and studying how technology and social networks are being used by police organizations around the world and particularly in India. So these 4 TAs will help us in doing lab sessions, setting up question answers for the homeworks, and helping us in general making the course more exciting and interesting for us. Now let's look at the topics that we will cover over this course. Initially, I will describe different aspects of online social networks. What are the different social networks that are available, which are popular, what kind of terms do you need to know before we actually start delving into the social networks more deeply. Then we'll also get hands-on experience with setting up Python, understanding how to collect data from Twitter API, how do you store the data in MongoDB or MySQL. This will be more like a lab session where we'll walk you through on how to set this up. Later in the course, we'll start looking at trust and credibility, which is how much can you actually believe the content that are posted on Twitter, Facebook, what kind of problems exist, what kind of techniques are available to actually identify whether the posts are credible or not. Then we'll also look at privacy issues in online social network. Privacy is becoming such a big topic because of the proliferation of online social networks. What information is leaked, what information can be actually collated, what information can be stitched together to create a profile of the user, which can be actually misused against him or her. Then we'll also look at social network analysis, text analytics that can be done using the content from social network. NLTK is one of the platforms which will also expose you to analyze the content from social networks. This again will be a hands-on session where you will get experience on using these tools, techniques from the content in the course. E-crime, which is also very related and a very important topic in the context of online social networks, is something we will also cover. In this part of the course, we will actually look at phishing, we'll actually look at fake content, fake accounts, and related topics. We'll also give you some hands-on experience in terms of actually drawing graphs with Plotly, analyzing data with high charts, creating graphs with high charts, and also geolocation analysis, because some of the content that we'll be analyzing during the course and looking at during the course will be actually will have information of geolocation, which is the latitude, longitude from a particular location where the post has been done. So tools like these, which is Plotly, HighChart, NLTK, and social network analysis, tools like Aura will be actually very, very hands-on experience for you, where you will get a whole lot of ways to actually analyze the data, anything that is relevant to online social networks. Next, we'll look at policing, which is in India particularly, if you see, the online social network has become such a big platform for police organizations to use in terms of interacting with citizens. So we'll actually study how police organizations are using this online social media for increasing their effectiveness of keeping the society safely, and we'll also look at how citizens have been using social networks to interact with police organizations. We will not just look at only the Indian context, we'll also look at broader context in the world, how organizations are actually using it. There is also this whole topic of identity resolution, which we will cover, which is, in my case, my Facebook handle is ponnurangam.kumruguru, my Twitter handle is ponguru, and my YouTube account is PK. So if you were to understand whether these three accounts are actually same, it's actually a very hard problem. So we will actually look at some of the identity resolution techniques that people have created, how we can actually stitch these accounts together. It can be actually very useful for multiple reasons. One, it could be useful for advertising agencies to actually present the ads appropriately. It could also be useful for making decisions on whether it's the same person talking about in multiple social networks. At the end of the course, we'll actually leave you with some very broad questions and very broad topics which are connected to social networks, which we will not be able to cover in this course, like deep learning, machine learning, natural language processing, image analysis. These are the topics that are becoming very, very popular in terms of using social network data. Because of the proliferation of the social network, understanding what data is available and how we can use this data is becoming a very important topic. And mostly, if you also see, image analysis is also becoming an important one, because mostly these days the posts are coming with images. It's not just text only, it is actually text and images, or sometimes only images. So this will be a very broad and a whirlwind tour of these new topics that are popping up around the online social network topic.